Hello ladies and gents, Ro here, and welcome to Normal Films. Today we can continue our iMovie tutorials, and in this tutorial we're going to teach you guys how to change the background color of your titles and text, of basically add an additional background with color to it onto your text instead of just having a plain black background. What I'm going to do is open up iMovie. I'm going to show you guys a quick preview of this real quick, and we're going to just go into our iMovie tutorial event, into my tutorial project, and these are from our previous tutorial, changing the duration of images and multiple images at once. We're going to go to titles, and we're going to use the standard here, and this can be done with actually any of these. And as you can see, we put in the standard backdrop. You can either put it on one of these images. As you can see, I'm simply just clicking and dragging. You can put it on one of these images, and you can have the text within the image itself, or for some reason it's not appearing here. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, there it is. You have to have the line there, and double click it to adjust the time. I mean the whatever it says in it. And as you can see, we have the image now in the background, and we have the text. And this can be done to any image. You can actually grab any image from the internet and use it, well, an image that's at least not copyrighted or any of that sort. But for example, you can use like this image, and you can use any color regarding an image from online. But for example, I mean, previously in the previous iMovie, you were able to, if you dragged the title text in the plain background like this, you were able to select a background for it or a color for it. And that's what I believe is what one of my subscribers was asking me, and that's what they meant. So as you can see, it's just a plain background, nothing on it right now. This is what most of you are looking for. If you go underneath the titles and text, you go to maps and backgrounds. It's kind of hidden, but it does say backgrounds here. And you'll be able to find within these maps, you'll also be able to find the old, like in the previous versions, all these backgrounds like the curtain, the blobs, and the underwater. And you see these little options. These you were able to be put behind the actual text. For example, let's use this blue here, and we're gonna just drag it in here, and then we're gonna drag our text right on top of it, just like now we have the old previous look to it with the actual text on the color background. So like I said, you can find these underneath the titles. You can find these in maps and backgrounds. So you just scroll down, you'll be able to find these the backgrounds that you were looking for, most likely that were available to you more easily through the old previous version of iMovie. So now you can simply edit the text here as well by simply going to the T. Well, when you have the text selected and go into the T option here, you'll be able to change the font and the size of it. Well, the font, yeah, the size of it, where you want to align it to, if you want it bold, and then also the color of the text here as well, which I want it to be red. And we're gonna say hello. That's not how you spell it. Hello, YouTube. And there we are. There we have a text with the background, and also, like I already said, you can grab any text or image from the internet and basically put it in here and use it as a background. But the normal backgrounds that you're looking for are located under maps and backgrounds, and you can simply click on them and drag them in, and then drag your titles, any title, and drag it straight on top of that little background, and now you have your title and text with the background. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Be sure to leave any comments or questions in the comment section below. I'll be sure to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and later.
Let my life be the proof of you.